Welcome to this explainer. Okay, let's just jump right into this, shall we? We all absolutely want financial independence, especially when we're students just trying to figure the world out. But honestly, how do you actually get there by 2026 without completely burning yourself out, or worse, falling for some ridiculous scam? Well, today we're going to map out a highly realistic, totally grounded path for you to actually start earning your own money while you study.
It's a pretty familiar feeling, isn't it? You want a new laptop, maybe the latest phone, or, just some cash to grab food with your friends. But having to constantly ask your parents for pocket money for literally every little thing, yeah, that starts to feel incredibly awkward. And look, that frustration, that sheer lack of cash, it's exactly what leads so many students straight into online traps when they go looking for a quick, effortless fix.
So here's our exact roadmap for today. We've got 1. The Pocket Money Reality Check. 2. Essential Skills for 2026. 3. Entering the VIP Room. 4. The 3-Phase Success Roadmap. 5. The Free Sample Strategy. And finally 6. Your Path to Freedom.
All right, Section 1, the Pocket Money Reality Check. Let's just immediately debunk the absolute worst advice floating around out there right now.
You've for sure seen these while scrolling. Those super annoying ads promising you can easily earn 5,000 rupees a day just by downloading some random app, playing a couple of video games, or referring your friends. Let me be 100% clear with you. Those are scams, period. They're literally just designed to waste your time. True wealth and real independence? Yeah, they don't come from randomly tapping buttons on a fake game. They come from building real, high-income market skills.
Moving on to Section 2, Essential Skills for 2026. Let's actually look at the real tools of the trade you need to enter the VIP room of high earners.
Okay, the first massive skill is short-form video editing. Listen, today, almost every single brand, whether they're a massive corporation or a local shop, desperately needs short-form content to survive online. They have all these ideas, right? But they simply do not have the time to sit down and edit. If you take the time to learn how to use super accessible apps like CapCut to add punchy captions, drop in some dynamic B-rolls, and sync it all up to trending music, boom, you instantly become a highly marketable, money-making asset.
The second essential skill is AI content creation. Now, a lot of people out there think AI is just going to come and steal all our jobs, or they just use it to, completely cheat on their school homework. Actually, scratch that. That is the completely wrong approach. Tools like ChatGPT and Gemini are incredibly powerful creative engines. You should be using them to generate really tight scripts, craft these engaging hooks that hook a viewer in the first 3 seconds, and just brainstorm endless content ideas for creators who are completely stuck with writer's block.
All right, Section 3, entering the VIP room. So you've got the skills, but where do you actually go to sell them?
Okay, we need to completely redefine a platform you probably completely ignore. Most students just think LinkedIn is this super boring corporate site for older people in suits. But honestly, it's a digital storefront. Think about it. Instagram is for entertainment. Freelance sites like Fiverr, way too saturated with competition. But LinkedIn, it's an absolute goldmine. It's packed with CEOs, founders, and decision-makers who actually have the budget to pay you but literally zero free time. They are actively hunting for problem solvers.
Section 4, the 3-Phase Success Roadmap. Now that we know the skills and the exact platform to use, let's walk through the execution plan.
These 3 simple phases form the ultimate blueprint to getting hired by those super busy decision-makers. Step 1, you build your digital storefront. Step 2, you dive into content creation. And Step 3, you unleash the free sample strategy.
Phase 1 is all about setting up that digital storefront on LinkedIn. Look, if the entrance to a physical shop looks terrible, nobody walks in, right? It is exactly the same in the digital world. You need a clean, smiling, professional photo. Go into Canva and design a custom banner that visually shows exactly what you do. And this is absolutely crucial, your headline. Whatever you do, do not just write student at XYZ college. Nobody hires a student. They hire a specific solution to their very specific problem. Use a value-driven headline, something like freelance video editor.
Phase 2 is content creation. Now, the source material actually shares a pretty wild anecdote about a creator firing an editor after just 1 month. Why? Because the editor completely lied about their experience and their past clients. So don't fake it. Just don't. Instead, document your raw, authentic learning journey. Post real updates 3 to 4 times a week. Like, if you just figured out a cool new video transition, post a before and after. Showing your honest, gritty progress builds an immense amount of trust with potential clients.
This brings us to Section 5, the free sample strategy. This right here is the secret hack.
If you just blindly DM someone saying, "Hey, I'm a student and I really need work for my studies," I guarantee no one will reply. Decision makers literally get hundreds of those begging messages every week. The right way to do this? Proactively solve their problem before they even ask. Instead of just asking for a job, send them a highly customized 10-second edited sample of their very own video.
Just imagine sending a big influencer this exact message right alongside that video clip. Hey, I improved your video's first 10 seconds to increase your reach. Do you see the difference there? You aren't asking them for a favor. You are basically handing them incredible value right off the bat. It completely proves you understand their specific content and that you are absolutely willing to put in the hard work.
But hey, we do need to keep you grounded in reality for a second. You have to prepare for the no's. Seriously. If you send out 10 of these amazing, highly customized samples, you might only get 2 replies. And honestly, maybe neither of them will hire you right on the spot. This whole process requires an immense amount of patience and a lot of resilience against rejection. Consistency is quite literally the only way you win this game.
Finally, Section 6, your path to freedom. Let's look at how all of this hard work actually translates into real-world cash.
So, what does this actually pay? Well, the source material reveals that for their own science and motivation channel, they actually pay between 5,000 to 10,000 rupees for a single completed video thumbnail. Yes, that is per piece of content going directly to a student who just took the time to sit down and actually build their design skills. 1 lakh rupees. That is the massive, life-changing potential we're talking about here. If you hit your stride and secure enough consistent work, say, 10 high-quality clients a month, you could realistically be earning up to 100,000 rupees a month while you are still studying. But please remember, the student doing this did not start making that kind of money overnight. They planted the seed 8 to 10 months ago and just constantly improved their craft.
Well, we've covered a pretty brilliant roadmap today in this explainer. The only real question left for you is, are you ready to enter the VIP room? It is officially time to abandon those fake gaming apps that just steal your time. Focus on building real skills, set up that digital storefront, and start offering real value to the market. If you are truly ready to commit to building your future today, drop a comment saying "I will earn" below. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next explainer.